let us learn how to check the computer configuration, which means your computer configuration, your own computer processor speed, RAM capacity, or the chipset you have in from the Intel. So you need to check, you need to know your computer configuration. Because why actually? Because whenever you meet a friend, he can ask, okay, you have a computer, so what's your computer speed? Your computer processor speed is what? And so you should know how to give this answer. Plus you should be aware of what your computer system speed is. Even more importantly, when you're going to buy a computer system, so you need to compare and contrast and see what is the best laptop which suits for your requirements and needs. So for you to do that, this is the first question that you will be asking whenever you're going to buy a computer from a vendor. So the method number one is very easy. You go to run. This is actually done on Windows 10 operating system. I'm using Windows 10 Enterprise Edition. So you go Windows R and type DXDIAG command. So that is using DXDIAG command. Actually, it's used DirectX technology, which is an application. Now it's owned by Microsoft. It was earlier run by another separate company. I cannot remember the name of the company. Now it's from Microsoft. From this, you can find out. So here we go. So I have these details. It says my computer has a Windows 10 Enterprise 64-bit edition, and I am using a laptop which is an Acer laptop, and the model number is here, and the BIOS versions and the BIOS the name and the processor. Here we go. This is something really important information for me. I use an Intel R processor which is i5, and this 7200U, it's a chipset number. That is a chip that is the very large scale integration, the CPU I have. Thereafter, the processor speed is 2.5 gigahertz processor. I have a bit of an old processing system, and the memory, or almost all the memory is available in my computer system, which means my RAM capacity. So like that. So this is a method number one. So very easily you can find out your computer configuration by just typing that command. The second method is the other method. So you go to the search bar. Okay, so you go to the search bar, and then right click on then say this PC. Under this PC, you right click on this and go properties. When you right click on this PC, you will find again a few informations which indicate again the processor and the processor speed and the RAM capacity, and your type of your operating system is a 64-bit or 32-bit, and even more importantly, this whether my operating system is activated even. So it says my Windows is activated or not. So uh, the method number three, it's another easy way. You using the Windows 10 machine, you go to search bar, and then you type what say system information. So system information again helps you to find out your computer configuration. So you have the system summary. So when you go to system summary, it's give you more elaborative answer. It's give you more information than the last two methods. So this gives you so many things actually, like again the model type of the manufacturer name, and it's a 64-bit processing pattern, which is a system is a 64-bit, and I use again Intel processor i5, and the speed, and many more, and where's my Windows directory, which means my operating system files are located, and my boot device, and my RAM the RAM capacity. It says physical memory for RAM, and where's my virtual memory, which is page file, where's my page file has created. All this information shows in here. So this is more elaborative if you're going to find out. uh, so those are the three methods. So I hope you will be not going to be blind when somebody asks you a question, what is your computer processing speed, or what's your computer configuration. Okay, good luck.